carrots. Did you know how carrots look like?
Yes.
I mean the carrot plantations?
No, this is my first time actually seeing it. Oh, you can see it picking from the ground.
Wow, it's big. It's so huge. Look at that carrot. Oh my goodness. I've never grown carrots. But you see, I mean.
Wow, come and see here. You bring your friend.
Oh. Wow. You see huge carrots. They are coming out of the ground.
I think that the owner may be there looking at us.
Look at this. So if you want carrots. But where I grew up, they don't. So, these pumpkin leaves, they look sick.
Yeah, Auntie, that's what I'm saying. They have been eaten by.
I think they have an infestation. Oh, these are pumpkin leaves. Are they?
Pumpkin leaf. No, it's a leaf, I thought. Looked like a pumpkin.
But the baby pumpkins are coming.
You
see? It's flowering, so the baby pumpkins are going to bring pumpkins. Means those are the potential pumpkins that are going to.
How they water them.
Yeah, they have like a spring. We need something like this. Some leaves are really sick. Look at this one. This one is overwatered. I think they are being watered. They're watering them medicine. I think they are recovering from like black spot. Because I'm seeing the other leaf is showing signs. Yeah, this is more like overwatering, but the other leaf is showing signs of black spot.
I can even smell the, what is it called? The withering of the fruit.
These people, the cabbages refused. They were like, not today. And then some corn.
But I think they were harvesting.
But the corn looks healthy.
Yeah.
For it, it's not sick.
You saw the beans there?
Yeah, there were beans, eh? Yeah.
Oh, there's a pumpkin here.
Pumpkin? Oh, look at pumpkin. Pumpkin is big. Is here. They've already eaten a cabbage. So pumpkin is growing. It is soon flourishing and blossoming. Just like that. But the leaves looks.
The leaves look sick.
Yeah.
The other one is the one that looks very healthy.
Yes, and I think they are medicating them. They are spraying medicine for black spot. This is black spot.
It's very visible there.
I think it came from here to.
You're seeing how it is. It spread from there. It came from these veins there.
Oh, and they came here.
Yeah, it was spread from here like this. You can see how they water them.
By the sprinkle.
They need to put like onions.
The way they do their cast there.
It's very organized.
Very.
Don't you use a sweet potato?
Yep. But like how for us.
Sweet potato is the one that brings morning glory. Is this morning glory?
What do you mean?
The flower morning glory. The one that is purple in the morning and in the evening it falls.
It falls. It's called morning glory.
Yeah.
I didn't know. Doesn't it spoil the sweet potato when you...
No. No, yeah, it's morning glory actually.
Let me see.
You see how it is? It's purple inside.
Mm.
It's the one that opens in the morning and closes.
Hmm.
Yeah, we left through the other.